I've been using this tool way too often not to do a video on it, guys. So this is the smoke tester by Orion Motor Tech. I'm looking for an EVAP leak, vacuum leak, boost leak, whatever you want to call it on this WRX right here. So hook it up. You have an inflatable bladder. I put it right into the intake boot right there, and then you just run it off the car's battery. It does have fluid that it comes with. This thing is great for finding boost leaks because I don't want to look around and chase problems. You got to diagnose the issue first, guys. So now we wait, and as you can see, we already have some smoke coming out. Looks like the PCV valve, possibly. Either way, so instead of throwing a parts cannon on your misfire and trying to replace everything, like injectors and all this other stuff, smoke tester will save you a lot of money, guys. I think this thing is under $100, built-in compressor, and tighten everything down and fix everything until you get no more leaks, and that pays for itself right there. Link in the description if you guys want to check this out. All right, and check out what that found me, guys, because it's very hard to see this unless you smoke test it, because everything looks normal there, right? But pull this back. So I get the camera in there for you. Or pull this back, you can actually see. Damn, it's hard to. So you can actually see this is broken. See, that was cracked and making an EVAP leak, causing all kinds of issues. So smoke tester found that quickly. Instead of wasting a bunch of money on that replacing parts, smoke tester found that, paid for itself immediately. So definitely get this if you're chasing your own problem. If you guys have any Subaru questions too, drop them down below. This is all I do, guys, is just Subarus, Mercedes, all kinds of stuff. And I build a lot of Subaru engines. We just finished some up out here. I'll show you guys real quick. Oh, actually the red one just got picked up. I had a red one. It just got picked up. But hyper blue one next, getting an engine. And hopefully I don't gotta use a smoke tester on that. But yeah, check it out in the description. Later.